Like many ranchers, Mayfield rancher Jeff Lord watches for opportunities to improve the public range where his cattle graze. Following the 280,000-acre Pony Elk complex wildfires in 2013, Lord partnered with state and federal agencies to assist with range rehabilitation projects in the Danskin Mountains. Wildfires can be tough on the landscape and cause economic hardship. But after the fires die out, there's a chance to replant and start anew. That's a big priority for the Idaho Department of Lands, the BLM, and the Forest Service too. The agency spent more than $6.5 million on rehab and restoration projects following the wildfires. Timely and extensive seeding activities, combined with a string of good winters and spring rains, plus well-managed grazing, are helping rangelands in the Danskin Mountains rebound nicely, officials say.
And it turned out to be a pretty good project. I think everybody's pretty happy with it.
I think this area looks fantastic after the fire. It's been 6 years since the Pony Complex fire came through. There's quite a variety of plant species that's come back.